Hi everyone. I to add my stock fish, some nut cube, salt and diced onions, and also some chopped pepper. And after that, I'll cover the pot and allow it to steam for 10 minutes. So while waiting for my meat to steam, I'll go ahead to blend my egusi seed or melon seed. As you can see here, I have my well cleaned melon seed. I'm going to go ahead to transfer it to my blender, and after that I'll go ahead to blend it. Then I will transfer it to my plate and set it aside. Soup. And after I'm done adding my egusi paste, I'm going to cover the pot and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to add the other ingredients. So here I have my blended crayfish and okwenye, and also my nut stock cube, some salt and some blended pepper. After adding them, I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to give it a quick stir, and after that I'll cover the pot and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Finally, I'm going to go ahead to introduce my dried mackerel fish, which I've already deboned, and after that I will add my fresh uziza leaf and also my fresh bitter leaf. After adding them, I'm going to go ahead to use my spatula to stir it and make sure I mix and combine everything together. After I'm done stirring and combining everything together, I'm going to go ahead to cover the pot and allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later, I'm going to go ahead to give the egusi soup a quick stir, and after that my egusi soup is ready to be served, and I'm going to be enjoying this soup with rice fufu, and you can enjoy this soup with any swallow of your choice. So please guys, do remember to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel, and also like and share this video, and please do join my YouTube membership to see all my exclusive video and also become part of this amazing YouTube family. Thanks guys for watching. Bye.